Hey YouTube, how are we all? So today I'd like to show you one of my new creations, and today for all my American friends I have created the Brooklyn Bridge. It took roughly round about 5-6 hours to do in total, but I am very pleased with this. Not to scale, have to say. This is just an Englishman's interpretation of a photo, and this was my end result. I don't know the full layouts, like I say, this was just what I came up with. Somebody in some way set me a challenge, and we were building some houses and he says, oh, it looks a bit like Brooklyn. Okay, let's stick the Brooklyn Bridge in then. So here it is. So let me know what you think, leave a comment. Try to make it a bit more realistic by adding a container ship going through underneath. It has the MSC logo on, which for those of you who don't know is the Mediterranean Shipping Company. I'm not in the Mediterranean, by the way, I am in England. Like I say, this is just an Englishman's interpretation of what the Brooklyn Bridge looks like. I'd like to thank all my friends and supporters who have helped me come up with all these ideas. I think the container ship really sets it off nicely, just gives it that a little something extra. Haven't put no flags on it. I do know that the Brooklyn Bridge has got the flags on the top, but I left this one off. And it's even got all the lighting. You have all the walkways and anchor points. So drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon on another video.